Hey guys, Jen here. In this video, we're going to talk about how you can use Pinterest to make money. So I'm super stoked to share this information with you. Pinterest is really one of my favorite social media networks. And so it's really exciting to be able to make money with it. And the great thing about this method is that you don't even need a website. So let's take a look and dive in. So for Pinterest, you may be familiar with the social network. You can use it like a search engine to browse and find out about anything. Recipes, home decor trends, gift ideas, really anything that you would go to Google to search for, you can search right in Pinterest. So this is how you make money with Pinterest. Now, ordinarily, you would go to Pinterest and type in search, a search term for something you want to look at, like DIY home decor. You see this list of results, and you would just select a pin, and it would take you to this article where you can learn how to turn a bookshelf into a storage bench, for example, for this pin. So how can you make money from this? Well, if you click this pin, you'll see that this takes you to an article about kitchen makeovers. So this blog, DIY and Crafts Magazine, has information about lots of DIY, living room, furniture, garden. You can see that all here at the top. And so when you visit one of the posts, this DIY article is most likely monetized. Somehow it can be monetized with affiliate links. You can see ads here in the sidebar. So this article is promoted in Pinterest and it's monetized through these different methods, affiliate links and ads. You can see here another ad at the bottom. So when a user visits this article and they click around, they could click into ads, they can click affiliate links, they could purchase something. And when that happens, the owner of this website gets paid. So this is a pretty straightforward way that a lot of bloggers use to drive traffic to their website, to their blog, so they can make money using Pinterest. So this is how you do it with a website. Now what happens if you don't have a website? Well, that's where affiliate marketing comes into play. Let's head on back here to Pinterest and we'll search for make money online. Just another topic we can take a look at. Now, what you can do is through affiliate marketing, you can create a Pinterest graphic like these. And instead of having a user click on the pin and go to your website, the user can go directly to the vendor's sales page. So let's take a look here. Let me show you an example. This one here, get paid for your opinion, earn up to $35 per survey. So I'll click that pin and it takes me directly to this vendor website for swag bucks. So here I can sign up, and if someone was creating this pin upon my sign up, they would most likely get an affiliate commission. So that's kind of how it works. You don't need a website because you're driving users not to your website but to the sales page of the affiliate vendor. And so the idea is to create many different kinds of pins, post them here to Pinterest, and as visitors click on your pins and go to the sales pages, once they purchase, you get an affiliate commission. So pretty easy, right? So how do you become an affiliate? There are several different ways. The easiest would be to join a network. An affiliate network like this one here, Share a Sale, is a hub for many different merchants. You can see Jillian Michaels here is a merchant, Fanatics, The Real, these are all merchants. So once you join this network, you can pick and choose what merchants you want to promote. So pretty simple. And there's many different networks. This one, Share Sale. There's Flex Offers. There's Link Share. There's Affiliate Window. You can join as many networks as you'd like to. You can also join private affiliate programs. So instead of joining through a network, you would just simply join directly through the merchant. Like, for example, Old Navy. Instead of accessing Old Navy's affiliate program through a network like Share Sale, you can go directly to Old Navy and they may have a sign up link to join with them directly. So that's another way to become an affiliate. So let me log in here and I will show you how to create an affiliate pin. So step one, you join the network. It's free most of the time. Okay, and then next you will take a vendor. So we'll take a look here at FreshBooks. And you can see this is FreshBooks' affiliate program information. This is how much they pay per sale. So for each sale you make, you'll earn this amount. And here's some information about commission and EPC, so on and so forth. Alright, so what you do is once you pick the merchant that you would like to promote, you're going to get the affiliate link. And I usually just go to banners and grab a link. Select URL only. Okay, and there's the affiliate link right here. So I will paste this into a new browser so you can take a look and see what the page looks like. Okay, so this is the landing page here. So if someone clicks on my affiliate link, they're going to be taken to this page. So next, I want to be able to create a pin that is eye-catching and appealing, so the user will want to click on it on Pinterest, and that pin will lead them to this landing page. So I use a tool called Canva. It's free, and you can create Pinterest graphics, email headers, other social media graphics. It's really easy to use. Just click on Pinterest graphic here, and I'm going to want to create some type of graphic to promote this small business accounting software that makes billing painless. It's really quick and easy to create Pinterest graphics using Canva. We'll keep this one pretty simple, and you can see all the templates here on the left. And we'll just pick this one here. Okay, small business accounting software that makes billing painless. Okay, so I'll create something really quick. Alright, so I just created some text here. Need a small business accounting solution, the painless way to do accounting. And you can change the font. You can change the color. You can bold. You can center it if you want to. And then next we'll just swap out this photo. And I'll just go to one of my uploads. And these are just photos that are uploaded from my computer. You can buy stock photos if you don't do photography yourself, or you can go to a free stock photo site. Okay, so I'll use this image here. Okay, boom. So that pin is done. It took just a few minutes and it's ready to go on Pinterest. So I'm going to title it here. We'll just call it The Painless Way to Do Accounting and save it. Once that's done, you're going to head over to Pinterest. You'll just upload that pin. Add the URL, and that's going to be your affiliate link here, and a description. And you just want to disclose that it is an affiliate link, and you can add some related hashtags. Okay, and that's it. When you're done, you'll just click done, and then you can save it to the appropriate board. All right, and there it is. So just like that, in just a few minutes, we have selected a product from an affiliate network to promote. We've created a Pinterest graphic for it. We put it on Pinterest, and guess what? We didn't even need a website. So this is the method that you'll go through to make money using Pinterest, no website required. You can rinse and repeat to use this for many different products and make money online. That's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and leave comments about your feedback below. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.